Why is nobody talking about how kings were buried with human head in the past? Today, let's talk about the Osu caste system. In the ancient Igbo days, kings, prominent men and chiefs, as the case may be, were buried with human heads and live Osu who are believed to accompany them and serve them in the afterlife. This is one of the most barbaric acts that has been successfully abolished over all Igbo land. The Osu were sacred people. They were dedicated to an alosi, shrine, or a deity. Their blood were used to cleanse the land of various atrocities. They were used for many spiritual purposes. The Osu were believed to have the protection of the alosi that owns them. No one hurts them or have any dealings with them because they bear the mark of the deity. The Osu blood was so powerful that it could turn a Wadiala to Osu if they had intimacy. Wadiala in English means a freeborn, and Osu cannot become a Wadiala from having an affair with a freeborn, but a Wadiala can become an Osu from having an affair with an Osu. There are different ways of becoming an Osu. First, to be born by Osu parents. Second, having an affair with an Osu. Thirdly, surrounding yourself or taking refuge in an Arusi. Many ancient Igbos became an Osu from running to Arusi for refuge. In the ancient days, if someone committed an Ochu, that is a crime that warrants death, they will run to Alusi for protection. Immediately they do this, their prosecutors leave them to the deity. Such people becomes excommunicated from their loved ones. Tell me in the comment section if your community still practice the Osu caste system in this modern day.